We made some symmetrical figure. This is square, this is rectangle, this is triangle, this is circle, and this is oval. Thank you.
I'm Mona Tharam from class 8 day by day. This day code, month code and year code. And take a random number and write your date and month code. Our month code is 0, 9, and here it is year code 4, and here it is year, and in 4 year 1 year is coming, so 1, and add all the number we get 21, and I am divided by 7 and we get 3. So 3 is our Wednesday, so we get our Wednesday. Thank you.
My name is Alexa Ansari. We make a multiplicative table of 12. We find out 12, 5 is 12 into 5 is equal 60. And we find out 12, 6 is 12 into 6 is equal 72. We find out other multiples of 12. Thank you.
My name is Amina Firdaus. I study in class 6. So we make a project. First 9. We will find a number. First 3, 6, 4, 2, 1 and 9. So 9 is for ones place, and 1 is on tens place, 2 is on 100 place, 4 is in 1000 place, and 6 is on 10,000, and this is length. Thanks.
Rita Fatma from class 6. My next project is additive inverse. An additive inverse is any number subtract is equals to 0. Look at the spin. 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Adarsh Pandey from class 8, Sales Brampara. Today I am going to explain you about types of angle. First, obtuse angle. The angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle, and the angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute, and the angle which is 180 degree is called straight angle, and the angle which is 90 degree is called right angle. and the angle which is more than 180 degrees is called reflex angle, and the angle which is 360 degree or 0 degree is called full rotation. If we will put this on 90, then it is right angle, because 90 degree is called right angle. Thank you.
My name is Ismail and I am from class 7. I show you the model of Wells square box. Question: I will roll the 5 that show the question. 2 square is equal to that show the answer is 4. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Sabha Parveen and I am from class 6. Today we have made this clock. This clock shows the angles. This is made by me and my group members named Soumya Chaudhary, Amrina Firdaus, Aisha Anjum and Afia Anjum. I am showing you how it works. Suppose I am moving this minute hand in 12 and this hour hand in 3. So it makes 90 degree angle. And when I move this at 11 and this hour hand at 3, it makes obtuse angle. Thank you.
My name is Farzaman from class 7.
My name is Arushi Pandey from class 7.
We had made it a model named types of angles. We had made this from a cardboard, a paper and a pen. So I will show you how it works. When I pull the angle, it makes 90 degree, which called right angle. When I pull more, it makes 180 degree, which is a straight angle. So here we can see it makes angle. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Soumya Chaudhary. I am from class 6. Today we made this model calculator. This is handmade calculator. This is made by me and my team, Soumya Chaudhary and Malaika Alia. I will tell you how it's work. Suppose we take a number 8 divided by 8 is equals to 1. Thank you.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Divaswani of class 6th. This is my ATM machine. I have saved some money, so I will enter this ATM machine. I have withdraw some rupees, so I have this ATM card, so I will enter of ATM machine. My money has come out. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon to all. We are from CDS Brahmapara Ambikapur and from class 9th. We are presenting a model of types of angles. So as we know, the acute angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So if we push this angle to from 0 to 90 degree in any position, then it is known as the acute angle. And if we move it to the exactly at 90 degree, then it is called a right angle. And if we move it to the obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So here the angle is 140 degree, so it is obtuse angle. And when the angle is exactly at 180 degree, then it is called as a straight angle. And reflex angle is less than 360 degree but more than 180 degree. So if suppose here this angle is at 250 degree, then it is known as the reflex angle. And when the angle is exactly at 360 degree, then it is known as the complete angle. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is model based on the trigonometric identities of the Pythagoras theorem of right angle triangle. We know that the right angle triangle, the angle front of the angle is perpendicular and front of the 90 degree is hypotenuse, and the remaining sides are based on, and the longest side of a triangle is known as hypotenuse. P is perpendicular and B is base and H is hypotenuse. So according to trigonometry, we have sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. And we know the formula by this triangle. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is perpendicular upon base, and cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and sec theta is hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta is base upon perpendicular. So this is, then I will show the model. This is a triangle, perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, and theta and 90 degree. This is sin theta, and the formula of sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We can touch in this scale, but bulb is not on. But we can touch on correct formula, the bulb is on. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am presenting trigonometric identity puzzle. I am made a trigonometric puzzle. Here trigonometric some identities. See a sin theta 0 degree on here given 0 degree. So you can see here 0 degree, and we can match all the identities from correct this, and who knows correctly or all formulas and all identities, they can make it's correct this puzzle. And you see I am making this sin 0 degree is 0, and cos 0 degree is 1, and tan is 0 degree, and the cos is infinity, and cosec and the sec is 1 degree, 1 on 0 degree, and the cosec is infinity. When the one identity we have correct this, and then the all for 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree and 90 degree are all are correct. Thank you.
Good afternoon. We are a student of CS Brahmapara of class 9. We are presenting a Pythagoras theorem working model. So she will explain this.
As we all know that side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and this is the base and this is the perpendicular. If we take the angle according to that angle, we will exchange the perpendicular and base. So according to that angle, if angle A, so according to that opposite to angle A, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. And we are knowing that hypotenuse are never changing, but according to that angle, perpendicular and base are changing according to that.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Neha Vishwakarma from class 11th, and she is Vazika Movinath from class 11th. I am presenting here a trigonometric ratio. There is it is look like a spinner. Trigonometric ratio is so about sin theta 0 degree is value of 0, and sin theta 30 degree is value of 1/2, and sin theta 45 degree value of sin theta in 45 degree is 1/√2, and sin theta 60 degree value is √3/2, and sin theta 90 degree is value of 1. So there is a concept of trigonometry is totally based on formulas.